Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is 𝐒𝐐𝐫𝐬 with another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your Windows Server 2019 standard evaluation to the full edition. For the purpose of this video, I have already created a virtual machine in Hyper-V. To know if your Windows Server is upgraded to the full edition or not, first open the Start menu and then click on the Settings button. After the Windows Settings menu is opened, you need to search for the Windows activation. Here, choose See if Windows is activated. Here you can see that the Windows Server 2019 is standard evaluation. Now I need to upgrade it to the standard full edition. To upgrade your Windows Server standard evaluation edition to the full edition, open Run and type cmd, then click the OK button. After you have opened the cmd, you need to write DISM /online/get-current-edition. It will show you the current edition of your Windows. You can see that it says the current edition is standard evaluation. The next command you need to type is DISM /online/get-TargetEditions. It will show you to what editions of the Windows you can upgrade from the ServerStandard evaluation. Here you can see that it says editions that can be upgraded to is ServerStandard and Server Data Center. I will upgrade to ServerStandard Full Edition. The third command you need to write is DISM /online/set-edition :ServerStandard /ProductKey : Then you need to enter this specific key to upgrade to the ServerStandard Full Edition. And after the product key, type /AcceptEula. I have written all the commands in the description. After you have entered the command, press enter from the keyboard. This process might take a few minutes. Now it has finished updating the components. The Windows needs to be restarted. If you want to restart the server, press the Y button from the keyboard. And if you want to restart it manually, press the N button and then restart the server. I will restart it now. Here you can see that it's adding feature of the standard full edition and cleaning up the standard evaluation files. Now let's check if the Windows is upgraded or not. Open Start menu and then select Settings. From the Settings menu, search for Activation. Select Activation Settings. Here you can see that it's upgraded to the full edition. Now that the upgrade process is completed, you need to activate your Windows using a Windows Server 2019 standard product key. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. A sub to the channel would also be good. Till next video, goodbye.